Looking for the best electric bike to elevate your commute or adventure? With countless options available, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. We've narrowed it down to the top 5 best electric bikes, each offering power, range, comfort, and advanced features. Whether you need speed, durability, or all-terrain capability, this buyer's review has you covered. Number 1. Gotrax 20-inch folding electric bike. The Gotrax R1 folding electric bike is an exceptional blend of power, portability, and reliability, making it a great choice for urban commuters, students, and adventure seekers. Equipped with 20-inch by 2.6-inch tires and a 500W peak power motor, this e-bike tackles various terrains with ease, reaching speeds of 20 miles per hour. The 48V 7.8Ah battery ensures up to 15.5 miles in pure electric mode and 25 miles with pedal assist, charging fully in just 5.5 hours for ultimate convenience. The smart display provides real-time ride data, ensuring effortless control. Its foldable design, 37.4 inches by 17.7 inches by 27.5 inches folded, allows for easy storage in car trunks or public transport, making it ideal for on-the-go lifestyles. With dual disc brakes, a durable transmission system, and enhanced visibility features like an LED headlight and rear reflector, safety remains a top priority. Offering 3 riding modes and backed by a 365-day part assurance with 24-hour customer support, the Gotrax R1 prioritizes versatility and rider satisfaction. Certified UL 2849 for safety, this e-bike is a smart investment for those seeking an efficient, eco-friendly, and reliable ride. Number 2. Vivi 26-inch electric bike. The Vivi F26F electric bike is built for power, efficiency, and versatility, making it an excellent choice for both commuting and off-road adventures. Featuring a 500W, peak 1000W high-speed brushless motor, this e-bike provides strong climbing ability and a top speed of 25 miles per hour, ensuring a smooth and swift ride. Equipped with a 48V13R removable battery, the Vivi e-bike offers an impressive range of 30-60 miles per charge, perfect for long rides or daily commutes. The integrated LCD display provides real-time information on speed, battery life, and pedal assistance levels, ensuring easy control and monitoring. Designed for durability, the lightweight aluminum alloy frame and high-strength front suspension fork absorb shocks for a comfortable ride. The front and rear disc brakes provide reliable stopping power, while the 7-speed transmission system allows for effortless hill climbing. Additionally, 4-inch fat tires offer superior traction on snow, sand, gravel, and more, making this bike ideal for all terrains. With 90% pre-assembly, a 1-year guarantee on key components, and UL 2849 certification for safety, the Vivi F26F is a high-performance electric bike that combines power, comfort, and adventure-ready capability. Number 3. Hiboy P6 electric bike for adults. The Hiboy P6 electric bike is a high-performance e-bike designed for adventure and daily commuting. Equipped with a 750W brushless motor, max 1000W and 80 Nm of torque, it reaches speeds of 28+ miles per hour, making it powerful enough to tackle steep hills and rough terrain with ease. Powered by a 48V13R removable lithium-ion battery, the P6 offers a range of 24.931 miles in full electric mode and 49.762.1 miles in pedal assist mode, charging fully in just for 6 hours. The Shimano 7-speed system enhances adaptability, ensuring smooth riding across various terrains, while 26-inch by 4-inch fat tires provide excellent traction on snow, sand, and gravel. For safety and comfort, the high-strength hydraulic suspension front fork absorbs shocks, and the dual-disc brakes ensure quick, smooth stopping even at high speeds. The intelligent LCD display tracks speed, battery life, mileage, and more, enhancing the riding experience. Built with a lightweight aluminum alloy frame, the bike is durable yet easy to maneuver. With 3 riding modes, pure electric, pedal assist, and classic, LED headlights, and UL 2849 certification, the Hiboy P6 is a top-tier electric bike that combines power, reliability, and versatility for any adventure. Number 4. Cycrown electric bike for adults. The Cycrown electric bike is designed for riders seeking a balance of power, comfort, and vintage-inspired aesthetics. Featuring a 750W brushless motor with 60 Nm torque, it delivers a top speed of 20 miles per hour, making urban commutes and off-road adventures effortless. The 20-inch puncture-resistant tires provide excellent grip and stability across various terrains. For a smooth and comfortable ride, this e-bike is equipped with hydraulic front damping and oil spring suspension, effectively absorbing shocks and reducing physical fatigue. The UL-certified 374.4 Wh battery ensures reliability, longevity, and safety, while its IPX4 waterproof rating enhances durability in different weather conditions. Safety is a priority with the disc front and rear brakes, ensuring strong stopping power, and an advanced light and reflective system for high visibility during night rides. The vintage motorcycle style frame not only adds sturdiness but also gives the bike a unique and stylish appearance. Delivered 80% pre-assembled, the Cycrown e-bike is easy to set up. With strong support, superior suspension, and an upgraded battery, this e-bike is perfect for daily commutes and off-road adventures, offering both performance and reliability in every ride. Number 5. Bycco Dual Motor Electric Bike. The Bycco EB7 Pro is a high-performance dual-motor electric bike designed for speed, power, and all-terrain versatility. Featuring dual 1000W motors, peak 1500W each, it delivers an incredible 3000W peak power and 200 Nm torque, allowing it to reach speeds of 37 miles per hour and tackle steep inclines with ease. Equipped with a 52V23R battery, the EB7 Pro offers an impressive range, up to 50 miles in single-motor throttle mode and 26 miles in dual-motor throttle mode. With pedal assist, riders can achieve up to 80 miles, single motor, or 45 miles, dual motor per charge. The UL2849 and UL2271 certification ensures battery safety and longevity. The 26-inch fat tires and full suspension system, including a lockable front fork and racing-grade mid-mounted shock absorber, provide superior stability and comfort on any terrain, whether snow, sand, or mud. Hydraulic disc brakes ensure precise stopping power, while the 7-speed Shimano transmission allows smooth gear shifting. With 6 riding modes and customizable Class 1, 2, or 3 settings, the EB7 Pro adapts to various riding preferences. Arriving 85% pre-assembled with essential accessories like a waterproof display, lights, fenders, and a cargo rack, this e-bike is perfect for commuters and adventure enthusiasts seeking unmatched performance.